Okay, so I also wanted to take just a couple minutes here and explain a little bit about how you might see some information about a mutual fund presented on a platform like Morningstar. So this is the Morningstar website. The mutual fund that we're looking at for a moment today is going to be the Nationwide Small Cap Index A. This is the ticker symbol there. All mutual funds are going to have an X at the end. Those A's are like, there are a couple different letters that you might see there that are indicative of different kinds of what do you call them? Funds. So just looking at this here, it has some information here. This one that I picked here is so it's a whole bunch of investments, a whole bunch of different stocks that are considered small cap stocks. And just a reminder, a small cap stock is a company that is worth less than 2 billion, I'm pretty sure. Yes, less than 2 billion. Here you have your expense ratio. This share class type is a front load, meaning they remove that those loads or fees at the beginning instead of after at the end. Looks like this one has a minimum initial investment of $2,000. Sometimes they have those, sometimes they don't, just depends. And then some of the other information you can see here would be like a fund analysis, your performance, is going to tell you how it's doing, the sustainability. One thing that's good to look at here is evaluating whether or not this is in your risk comfort level here. So it looks like this one is pretty average as far as risk goes, and the returns are a little bit lower. As an index fund, that's pretty expected. They just kind of try to match the index, so this isn't a very aggressive fund. And then, yeah, so this will also tell you a little bit more about it. I would encourage you to go ahead and just look and explore a little bit. Your asset class, that's exciting to look at. So this one is almost all in equity, which, as we remember, is the equivalent of saying basically stocks there, and then a little bit of cash. So yeah, there's a lot of good information. I'd really encourage you to go ahead and just look at those and see, just play around and see what you can find.